got big house. Yeah, a ton of them.
Tony has one and she has a cover up. Hi! Hi, Ella!
Say hi, Mommy.
Are you swimming?
Can you say hi, Mommy?
Me, 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 me.
Is it fun?
Whoa, Ella. Ooh, you're doing a dip and dive. Whoa. Hey, that's fun. Fun. Yeah.
That's Grandma?
It's camera.
I think she said Grandma.
Did you say grandma?
Oh, she did say Grandma.
Can't have the camera. It will never survive the water. No water on camera.
Baby. You want to see Grandma?
Want to come? You want to swim with me? Huh? You want to swim with Grandma? Where's Daddy? We'll follow Dad. Daddy. Daddy. What's Daddy doing? Uh-oh. He went the other way. Let's catch him. We're going to catch him. Oh, he went down the hill. I can't go down that hill. Mom, Grandma's too short. Yes, he is. Get him. Go get him. Can you get him?
Daddy getting ready to disappear.
Get him. Get him. Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Where'd he go? Daddy. She said, Daddy, where'd you go? Daddy. Oh. Whoa, look where he is. Daddy. Come here. What's he doing? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There he is.
What's going on?
She goes, Daddy. Where'd he go?
Where did Daddy go?
Uh-oh.